Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 1, and we are in question number 40. Okay, let's look at the question. Question is find the quadratic function defined by the function, okay, fx. And we have to use determinant, all right? So, what the question is, let's just reduce or decode the question. So, if f0, f1, so we have to find first of all, what is the question asking? We have to find the equation, meaning we have to find the value of a, b, and c. Essentially, this is what we want to find out. And what is given to us are these three things. So, can we create an equation from there? So, if I put f0 is equal to, if I just say f0 is equal to 6, and I think this is f, this is f. So 6 and f2 is equal to 11. So f0 is equal to 6, meaning what? A0 plus B0 plus C is equal to 6. So this is one equation. F2 is equal to 11, meaning A4 plus B2 plus C is equal to 11. Yeah, that's what it is. And F minus 3 is equal to 6. So A 9 plus B minus 3 plus C is equal to 11. Again 6. Okay, it is again 6. Yeah, it is again 6. Okay, so whenever we have a system of equation, how do we process it? Using Kramer's rule, because we are in the determinant. So we find the value of the coefficient determinant. If the coefficient determinant here, because A, B, C has to be found out, means there is a solution. So first thing first, the determinant determinant of the coefficient has to be found out, and then A will be equal to determinant of A. Sorry, A is equal to, all right, let's write the Kramer's rule first. So it says that D into A is equal to dA. How do we create dA? So in the coefficient determinant, so let's write the coefficient determinant first. It is 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 1, and 9 minus 3, 1. So this will be the value of the determinant, coefficient determinant. And how do we create dA? So we replace A with the constant. So from here we get A is equal to dA by D, and similarly B will be dB by D, and C will be dC by D. Okay, so it is, after that it is simply finding the values. So we can just get the solution. We first find the value of the determinant, which is coming to be minus 30. And how are we creating dA? We are replacing the first column with the constants 6, 11, and 6, and then the value is minus 15. So A is equal to minus 15 by 30. So we find the value of A. Similarly, we can find dB and dC and so on. So that gives us the value of A, B, C as 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and 6. And replace that in the value of the function theta. So the main answer is not so important, but the important thing here was that if we are able to write it like this, then we can see this is nothing but a system of equation in three variables, A, B, and C, which we have to find. And that is why we got three, what do you call it? We got three values, or the value of the function, three value of the function, so that we could create the three equations. So it is simply a case of linear equation in three variables, three equation, three variable, and just apply the Kramer's rule and you get your values. Thank you.